As an administrator, you have the ability to personalize the organizational profile. Navigate to the Administration section and click on Organizational Profile to access its settings. Here, you can change the default logo. Select Set Initials, where you can enter 1 or 2 characters to represent your organization's logo, and optionally change the background color. Alternatively, click Set Image to upload or drag and drop an image representing your organization. Clicking Remove reverts the logo to its default state. Additional customization options include modifying the organization's name and setting a default time zone for new members and guests that are added to the organization. The organizational logo is used in areas such as visitor links. For instance, in the invite settings of a board, you can opt to display the organizational logo on the visitor's welcome page. Upon copying and opening a visitor link, the recipient will see the organizational logo. This tutorial concludes the configuration of the organizational profile. We hope you found it informative.